Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up the Canon MAXIFY GX1020 printer software onto your computer. So whether it's a Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device, in today's tutorial I have you covered. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser of your choice. And into Google search, just search for Canon MAXIFY GX1020 support. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should say Canon support for MegaTank MAXIFY GX1020. Go ahead directly onto Canon's website here, and then scroll down on this page underneath Downloads and select Software and Drivers. Select the correct operating system as well as version number, and then go down and select the Master Setup Download and select that button. Once it's done downloading, select Open File and select Yes to respond to the user account control prompt here. Should be a verified publisher. Select your language as well as region. By selecting the drop-down, you can make different selection choices in there. Then select OK. Give this a moment to initialize, and then select Start Setup. And then you want to agree to the terms and select Next. And then make sure the printer is turned on. That's important. Again, you want to follow along with whatever prompts it's giving you on the screen during the installation here, and then proceed to select Next. And then select either Wi-Fi, wired LAN, or USB connection, then select Next, and then follow through with the on-screen prompts, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.